Ready to share your Nintendo Switch fun but keep your own game progress separate? This video shows you how to create new user accounts on your Nintendo Switch, making sure everyone gets their own personalized gaming experience. First, power on your Nintendo Switch and navigate to the system settings. You'll find it on the home screen, represented by a gear icon. Tap it to open. Once you're in the system settings, scroll down on the left-hand menu until you see the users option. Select users. On the users screen, you'll see a list of existing users. To add a new one, select add user. You'll be prompted to choose an icon for the new user. Scroll through the options and select one you like. Tap next. Now, it's time to enter a nickname for the user. This name will be displayed on the Switch. Type in the name using the on-screen keyboard, and then tap OK. After entering the nickname, you can choose whether or not this user will have Nintendo account features. This is useful for online play and accessing the eShop. You can either link an existing Nintendo account or create a new one if this is for a child or someone who doesn't have one yet. If you prefer to skip this step, you can do so. Congratulations! The new user account has now been created. You can switch between users from the home screen by selecting the user icon in the top left corner. Now, everyone can enjoy their own personalized gaming experience with their own save data. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Nintendo Switch tips and tricks.